Hey everyone, this is Eric with Rockin' H, and I'm busy planting corn, or actually planting stubble tonight. So, these are just toothpicks broken to quarters. I get a bunch of them in my hand like this, and then with this bent needle nose, makes pretty short work of it. I did go ahead and pre-punch holes in all of this by using a board full of nails that I used to make the lines in the field. That's how I made all the pre-holes. Sometimes the toothpicks don't want to go into the styrofoam very well, so you just give them a little push and they go right in. So if you got everything kind of ready to go, it doesn't take too long. But as you can see, it takes a while, and it helps when you have help.
They're going to town.
Not really.
Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.